What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a towel bar, retractable, 17 to 30 inches. And we are going to see if this towel rack will be suitable. This thing comes with hooks. You got hooks right here. It comes with storage boxes. And it says 3 layers of railing right here. And once again, it says 17 to 30 inches. So we will check all of that out, how to expand it and all of that. And all you get is one paper of instructions. So this is all we have to work with. And yeah, so it is time to have fun with this review. All right, you guys, so that was nice and easy. We put the baskets on. The baskets is nice and simple. You grab a basket, you slide it right through the slot, and it goes down. Basket is on. We are going to put this on the wall. They do have adhesive here to where you can put it onto like maybe your shower tile. You might not want to screw on your tile, but they have some special adhesive for that. If I get a chance, I might do that, but I'm more of a screw guy, you guys. I like screwing stuff up, so I will screw it onto the wall. But yes, once again, they do have a method for, it says paste the sticker onto the wall. So yeah, this seemed like an adhesive or something like that. I don't know, something different. I might look into it, you guys. I might look into it. But this is something different. Oh, I see, yeah. So this is some type of adhesive, and they have this is like a screw on here. So if you want to put this on your shower, you can. I might show y'all that. I'm not sure, but I'm just going to screw it on the wall so we can have a nice little towel rack. So that's pretty awesome, you guys. All right, see y'all on the installation. Okay, you guys, so my card turned off by itself. These SD cards are going haywire, you guys. I need to look into the market for some new SD cards. Anyways, I don't even know where the video left off at, and I'm not going back to check. So I put one screw in here already. Make sure you get yourself a level. Over here is my other stud. Right now, I might just eyeball it. Because my leveler, I left all the way downstairs and I don't feel like going down there to get it. So right now, this looks level. So I'm just gonna go with that. And I'm just showing y'all this. I will be changing this soon. This is not forever thing because I am remodeling this bathroom that we're in right now. Well, I will be remodeling. All right, so there you go. Towel rack is up. You can put this, I believe they said 32 to 36 inches or something like that. I will post it right there so you can remember how wide you can turn this. And I believe this is straight enough. Once again, we will be remodeling this bathroom. I would like this in the bathroom, so let me show y'all real quick. Okay, so we can put our cup in. Cup right there on the wall. Nice. All right, come over this side, put our other cup in, and it goes right on in. Bada boom. Now they could put whatever in there. If this was in the shower, this is drainable. That's the end of this towel rack, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.